So you're looking at laser cleaners. Let's find out what they actually cost. You see the sticker price, right? But what's the real number to get it running?
Yeah, the final bill can easily hit 14 grand. Sometimes it's even higher.
And that's for a machine you saw advertised for just $6,000. The list price is only the start. In fact, that sticker price, it's often just about half of your actual final cost.
So why are the prices all over the place? Knowing this is how you avoid overpaying.
Okay, first up, laser type. Pulsed versus CW. They are totally different tools for different jobs. And that whole higher wattage is better idea, forget it. It's just not true for precision work. Shipping quotes can really trip you up. You want a DDP quote. That's the real all-in price. The brand of the laser source, the engine, basically, makes up a huge chunk of the machine's cost. Now, let's talk hidden costs. You've got a budget for these 6 things to avoid any surprises. For US buyers, this one's huge. Tariffs from China can add almost a third to the price. And this is a big one. Fume extraction, it's not optional, it's required by law. Why? Because getting caught without one can lead to some seriously massive fines from OSHA. Also, check your power before you buy. You might need a pricey upgrade for a more powerful machine. Okay, but here's the good news. Once it's set up, the operating costs are actually super low. Just look at this ROI. In this case, laser cleaning is over 80% cheaper than manual work. That means the machine pays for itself fast. We're talking just over 8 months here. So how do you get a quote with no nasty surprises? Let's put this all together. Easy. Just follow this checklist. It will guarantee you're getting a clear, all-in price. Look, at Chihalo, we give you transparent, factory-direct quotes so you can budget with confidence. The bottom line? The tech works, and the ROI is legit. So, are you ready to buy smart?